awesome natural home remedies for dry eyes. A dry eye is a condition in which the eye becomes dry. It normally happens when the tears are not able to produce sufficient moisture to the eyes. Dry eyes can be caused due to several factors such as deficiency in tear production, medication, smoking, aging, alcohol, environmental factors, allergies, rheumatoid arthritis, and menopause. Some of the common symptoms of dry eyes are blurry vision, scratchy and burny sensation in eyes, fatigue of eyes, eye irritation, and difficulty in wearing contact lenses, increased sensitivity to light, and the presence of stinky mucus in and around the eyes. First, cloth on eyes. One of the simplest home remedies for dry eyes is to take a damp and warm wash cloth and place it over your eyes. Allow it to be there for the next 5 to 10 minutes. Re-soak it when it's warm and apply it again. This simple home remedy is very effective in restoring the moisture of the eyes by opening the clogged oil glands. Second, fatty acids. You can try consuming flaxseed oils, omega-3 oil, or even a primrose oil. These fatty acids are very beneficial for lubrication of eyes. Third, paste for dry eyes. Take some orange lentil flour, lemon juice, turmeric powder, and tomato puree. Mix them all together to make a paste. Now, apply this paste on the region of dark circles. Fourth, turn off the AC. It's better to turn off any air conditioning system because it can reduce the mucus and natural moisture of the eyes. Fifth, baby shampoo. Another effective home remedy is to use a baby shampoo. All you need to do is gently massage your closed eyes under eyelashes with this shampoo using your fingertips only. After the completion of massage, wash your eyes properly with water. Using this method on daily basis, it can give you good results. Sixth, tea bags. Used tea bags can also be very effective in treating dry eyes. All you need to do is take a couple of used tea bags and rinse them. Now place these tea bags on your eyes and wait for 5 minutes. 7. Keep blinking. While watching television or reading a book, it is a good practice to blink eyes on short intervals. This will help in spreading the tears evenly over the eyes and will prevent your eyes from getting dry. 8. Lavender oil. Lavender oil can also be very useful in treating dry eyes. All you need to do is take a bowl filled with warm water and then add 2 to 3 drops of lavender oil in it. Now take a couple of clean cotton balls and soak them in this solution. Take them out and squeeze the excess liquid. Place these cotton balls on your closed eyelids.
Thanks for watching.